Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of foldable smartphones and reviewing the Motorola Razr Fold, a device that takes the Razr family in an exciting new direction. Now, when we think of Motorola, we often associate them with their iconic flip phone designs, but with the Razr Fold, they've gone beyond that, embracing a different kind of fold. Instead of the classic flip, we're looking at a hotdog fold, similar to what Samsung has been doing with their Galaxy Z Fold series. And let me tell you, Motorola has done an impressive job with this one. The Razr Fold is incredibly thin, and it's clear that Motorola has learned a lot from their previous foldable attempts. At first glance, it looks like any other sleek smartphone, with a textured, rubberized back that gives it a premium feel. But when you unfold it, you're greeted with an ultra-thin device that's a joy to behold. Now, here's the interesting part: this beauty comes at a price, literally. The Razr Fold retails for a whopping $1,899, which is a significant investment. But is it worth it? Well, that's what we're here to explore. Let's start with the design and features. The Razr Fold opens like a book, revealing a nearly square 8.1-inch internal display that's a real treat for content consumption. The external display, when folded, is a large 6.6-inch panel, perfect for those quick glances at notifications. Both screens are sharp and bright, offering a vibrant viewing experience. One thing that immediately stands out is the internal folding seam. While it's not a deal-breaker, it can be a bit of a nuisance, especially when displaying dark content or viewing at an angle. But when the screen is lit up, it almost disappears, which is a nice touch. In terms of durability, the Razr Fold is a step up from its predecessors. It has an IP49 rating, which means it can handle a good amount of dust and debris, and it can even withstand submersion in freshwater. So, if you're a bit clumsy, this phone might just survive your adventures. Now, here's where it gets a bit frustrating. Motorola could have included a microSD card slot, but they chose not to. The SIM tray has plenty of space, but it's only designed for a single SIM card. It's a missed opportunity, especially for those who like to expand their storage. On the security front, Motorola has included facial recognition and a fingerprint scanner built into the power button, making it convenient and secure. One feature that will excite creatives and note-takers is the support for a pressure-sensitive active stylus. It worked well in my testing, but be gentle with the internal display, as it's not as robust as the exterior. And yes, it's an optional accessory, so be prepared to spend a bit more. The speakers are decent, offering a nice stereo sound experience, and the USB-C port allows for external display connectivity, giving you a portable computer-like setup. Moving on to software, the Razr Fold runs on Android 16, and Motorola has promised 7 years of OS and security updates. That's a bold move and a welcome one, ensuring long-term support. The software itself is pretty standard Android, with a few AI-powered features and a dedicated button for quick access to notes and images. It's customizable, so you can make it your own. Performance-wise, the Razr Fold is a powerhouse. It features the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chip, offering smooth gaming experiences and impressive sustain. I tested it with a graphic-intensive game, and it handled it like a champ, staying cool even after an extended session. The battery life is impressive too, with a 6,000 mAh battery that can support fast charging. I was able to game on the big screen and still make it through the day with ease. Now, let's talk cameras. Motorola has packed a triple sensor setup on the rear, rivaling some of the best in the business. The wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses offer excellent image quality, with vibrant colors and sharp details. The selfie cameras are no slouch either, capturing crisp photos with natural exposure. In my opinion, the Razr Fold's camera system is a standout feature, and it might just give Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra a run for its money. So, what's the verdict? The Motorola Razr Fold is a fantastic device, offering a unique foldable experience with top-notch performance and an impressive camera setup. While the price tag is steep, it's a solid piece of technology that could be a game-changer for those seeking a premium foldable experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Razr Fold. Do you think it's worth the investment? Let's discuss in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring the world of tech.